Hi DIY Clubbers, it is Haiku Creations Denise, and today I'll be showing you how to create this Descendants tray. So right now I am adding a beautiful gold leaf to the outer edge of the silicone mold. You have to add a decent amount so that it really shows once all of your resin is dry. So right now I am adding resin to the outer edge and a little bit to the center of my silicone mold so that my stickers will stick. And I stuck my stickers down so that I can have them in my tray. So I had to add little weights to the stickers because they kept floating up like they're little boats, which they are not, they are stickers. And so after the 24 hours, I popped out my resin trays, and here's the product. So here is the finished Descendants tray. I love how it turned out. It's all sparkly and it's just my aesthetic. And it's just so pretty and I'm obsessed. Leave me a comment down below telling me which Descendants movie is your favorite. And if you haven't watched any of the Descendants movies, I really recommend them. My favorite is Descendants 3. It just is so awesome.
Thanks for joining me for another video this week and allowing my niece to take over my channel for the week. She had a lot of fun creating this tray. She really does love Descendants, and she had even more fun doing the voiceover. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend. We hit over 200 subscribers. Let's keep pushing for 300 for our 3-year anniversary. I would love to hit that goal. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right. Love you guys. Bye.